Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to download and install and obviously activate AutoCAD 2024 on your PC or Mac. So watch till end so that all of your confusions are sorted out. So you need to go to this link. I will provide you with this link in the description and comments. Okay, and after that you need to sign in here or sign up. Okay, I will click on sign in because I have already created an account. So if you don't have any account, you can click on this create account button, and you can simply insert your details like your name and your educational email, and then set a password, and that's a simple way to sign up, and it's free. You need to enter your university or institution email. So currently I'm signing in. As you can see, I have put my email, and now I'll tap in my password. So after that you can see this page. Okay, so you can see this page. It has redirected me to this page basically. So I need to scroll a little bit down on this page, and here you will find out some Autodesk products. So okay, so I will click on get, and then here you can see that the products are sorted by A to Z. So if you are using laptop or Windows PC, so you can click on this AutoCAD, simple AutoCAD. And if you are using Mac, so you can use AutoCAD for Mac, and you can even use it on web, so you can click on this web product. So currently I'm downloading it for Windows platform. You can also sort out your platform here. Okay, so I will click on this get product, and I will choose my version. Okay, it's also giving me 2025. So yes, I'll select 2025, and here you can see Windows in your language. So currently I'm selecting English, and I'll click on install, accept, and boom, it's done. It's downloading. So you can see here the file is being downloaded to my PC. To save time, I will pause the video, and after the download is complete. Okay, so guys, let's wait. The download is complete, and I will simply click on this setup file. You can also see it is here in my downloads. So click on it, click yes, and now a dialog box will appear here on my PC, and the download and installation process will begin. Okay, so let's wait for it. I think it's running in the background, so let me double check. Okay, here you can see the dialog box, Autodesk install. So it's preparing for installation, and guys, it's a heavy software, so it will obviously take some time. So I am pausing the video. After this preparation has been completed, I will restart the recording. So guys, as you can see, after that preparation process, this new dialog box will appear. So it is still saying that the software is preparing itself for installation. So I will again pause the video, and please wait and watch till end. I will show you the whole process. So I'm pausing it for the time being. Okay. Okay, it has appeared. So you need to select your drive where you want to install your software. I will click on install, and then this process will begin from 0%. Okay, so it will take some time. I'm pausing the video to save that time. Okay, guys, so as you can see, the installation process has reached 94%, and at this point you can see the start option. So you can it says you can start the product while installation continues. So while the product is installing, I can even start the AutoCAD. So let me click on this start button, and let's see what happens. And this is a very new and special feature by Autodesk. And you can see in the background, oh my god, you can see AutoCAD 2025. It has been installed in my PC, and now you can see it's loading. So on the first takes some time because it's doing some configurations on the back end, and obviously it will install some basic plugins and some features in my PC, and then it will start automatically. So you can see the process in real time, and on the back side you can also see the installation. It has reached 96%, so the whole process took around 10 to 15 minutes, and this is very fast. So guys, you can see here, okay, I will take the recommended action, and you can see the AutoCAD has been installed in my computer. As you can see now, 1 minute or less, or even less, using your university or institution email. Okay, so as you can see, it's saying check your browser. So in the browser it has opened this sign in page. So I will sign in with my educational account, and let's go. And I will type in my password and sign in. Easy. Okay, I will go to product. So it will redirect me to my installed AutoCAD 2025. So this is great. This is great, and you can see the product has been installed. Let me open a new file in this software. So I'll click on new, and you can see now. Let's wait for it. Okay, so you can see the interface of the software, and it's Autodesk AutoCAD 2025. So now the video is over. I would like to request you all to please subscribe to my channel, and this is fully active AutoCAD, AutoCAD 2025 fully activated, and you can see I'm drawing in this software. It's working like very smoothly. It's working very smoothly and nicely. And thanks for watching this video. Please like the video, and if you are if you are facing any kind of problems or errors, you can comment below. I will reply to your comment. I will solve your issue. And also please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and bye bye. Good luck.